Angel number 3, the left wing man from Beaufort, South Carolina, Major Brandon. For more information on our support crew and our pilots, we invite you to follow the team on social media, including Facebook and Instagram. There you will find exclusive photos and videos, as well as a behind-the-scenes look at our organization and how we operate. Performed here this afternoon. This degree of precision has been a trademark of the Blue Angels since first established 78 years ago. 16 officers and 130 enlisted personnel comprise the Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron. Pilots 1 through 4 fly in the diamond formation, showcasing the precision flying required of all Navy and Marine Corps aviators, while pilots 5 and 6 fly as solos, demonstrating the maximum performance capability of the aircraft. Once again, I am Major Scott Locks from Chantilly, Virginia, Blue Angel number 7, the narrator for the flight demonstration, and the pilot for the key influencer and media personnel we normally fly at each show site. Blue Angel number 8, Lieutenant Commander Lily Montana from Vienna, Virginia, is the squadron's naval flight officer and events coordinator. Commander Bryce Abashan from Washington, Missouri, serves as the squadron's executive officer. Our Marine Corps C-130 pilots are captains. As they exit to the right, you will notice that the entire formation has shifted back into the Blue Angel Diamond. One of the unique demands placed in blue uniforms on members of the elite Blue Angel maintenance crew. Through hard work, many long hours, and unselfish dedication, they have each of the last 79 years provided us with the aircraft availability necessary to perform each of these flight demonstrations. As the aircraft taxi back, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce the
From Beaufort, South Carolina, Major Brandon